Welcome to my new series where I'll be sharing all my favourite salad recipes. Today we're making a lemony Greek yogurt carrot crunch, a vibrant, creamy and tangy dish. It's made with grated carrots, sunflower seeds, raisins or chopped apricots and fresh coriander, all dressed in a zesty mix of Greek yogurt, lemon zest, honey, cumin, cayenne, lemon juice and salt and pepper. This refreshing salad pairs perfectly with a lamb kofta, a falafel, or any Mediterranean meal. Trust me, this is a crowd pleaser that you don't want to miss.